So the traditional method in hair restoration surgery is something that people know as the strip surgery. Basically what we do is we find the high density area in the back of the scalp, and we take out some of that hair, we dissect it under the microscope, and we put it back where it belongs, in the front or in the back where you're losing hair, depending on the patient. We can get a lot of hair from that procedure. It's a great procedure. It's relatively painless. We do everything under local anesthesia, and patients do it in one session, and many times they'll fly in from another area and come in here for surgery and leave that night and fly out. So it's something that can be done with very minimal discomfort or problems for the patient. Many times we do traditional hair restoration surgery with the patient flying in and out the same day of the procedure. So under most circumstances, the downtime for the patient is very minimal. It has very little discomfort. It can be done in one day, and in that one session we can take out a lot of hair from where we have very dense hair in the back, micro dissect it, and put it back to the front of the scalp or the vertex of the scalp, wherever you're losing hair, and give you a great result with that. And again, in one day, it's a phenomenal surgery. Many times we do strip surgery over a couple sessions to even more minimize the discomfort to the patient and make it an easier procedure. We can do small sessions, we can do large sessions, we can do 1,000 grafts, we can do 4,000 grafts with strip surgery. It just depends on the surgery, the patient, what's needed, what's not needed, and how much time the patient wants to work that particular day. The technique of the surgical procedure involves taking anesthesia to the back of the scalp, extracting the hair from there, dissecting it under the microscope into individual hair follicles. And we get units of 1, 2, 3, sometimes 4 hairs that we can put back to the scalp in a natural way. So when the hair is put back in the scalp, it looks just like what God put there in the first place.